Hello, this is Jay Calkett at MarineMax at Full Long Beach. Today I'm going to be showing you a new addition to our lot, the 2018 Key West 351 Billistic. Look at the size of this boat. As we move towards the transom, you'll notice that this is powered with triple 300 Yamahas. They opted for the white motors, which goes great with the color combination here. They have right around 200 hours on them, and a 200-hour service has been completed. Let's go up top and I'll show you a couple great features of the Billistic. First thing you'll notice as you get on the boat, we have rod holders on the transom. We have rod holders on the T-top. Rod holders all up and down the gunnel, even under gunnel rod storage and lockable under gunnel rod storage on each side, port and starboard. On the transom, you have two live wells. Here's your smaller live well here. And this is if you need to keep a lot more bait, some of your bigger bait for the bigger fish you're going to be catching. Right here we have a prep station. So you can prep all of your bait or even clean your fish as you bring them on board. Underneath we have drawer storage, as well as your tackle storage and for your lines as well. As we move towards the helm station, you notice we have everything here to comfortably navigate to wherever you want to go fish. We have two 12-inch Garmins. You have your Garmin autopilot. You have your Yamaha system right here that will tell you everything about your motors that you need to know. We also have the Optimus piloting system here, which works much like every other joystick, where you have your stay point feature, you have your heading hole feature, and you even have boost if you need that extra power to fight the current or the wind when you're docking. If we look up here, you'll see that it does have the Garmin VHF, as well as a nicely appointed control panel right here. You have the stainless steel push button controls, and everything you need to take care of on the boat can be controlled right from here. Back here you also have an extra storage for any kind of electronics you might want to put up there and keep them safe out of the weather. You have the bolster seating so you can be comfortable in multiple positions. Down here is the easy access to your batteries if you need to get down there and take care of anything, as well as your battery switches. Everything's set up very well there. You also have two different footrests here, so if you happen to be taller, you can use the bottom one, or if you're shorter and you sit higher on the seat, you can use the top one. I like how they thought about that there. As we move towards the bow area here, you see there's plenty of seating for everybody to relax, or even plenty of room to get around the boat if you're fighting that big fish. I like how they have the rails for seated down here so they're not getting in the way. See all of the nice sea deck up here. You've got plenty of cup holders on each side for all your beverages, as well as these storage areas here just to kind of put your valuables so they don't go flying around the boat. This actually doubles as a fish box, or you could use it as undergunnel rod storage as well. They definitely have not skimped on how much rod storage you can have on this boat. And that is the same on the other side. One thing I really like about this 351 is the huge fish box that you can fit anything that you catch for the day there. You also have some storage for a 5-gallon bucket down here, possibly with a cast net, so you can keep that out of the way. And cooler for all of your drinks or snacks that you might have for the day. And some nice seating here for your guests as well. Another addition I really like we put on the Billistic is a washdown system for when you're bringing your anchor in. You can rinse it off as it's coming on the boat. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention, in the transom you also have the freshwater washdown and a raw water washdown. This is fully equipped with a radar as well, and outriggers. Everything you need to go fishing. You get to any fishing spot you'd like to go and get there quickly. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat, or you just like to come and take this beast for a sea trial, call me, Jay Calkin, at 850-225-9797. We'll see you soon.